Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace all of the rear bulbs on Alfa Giulietta. I'm gonna cover the replacement of the indicator, the reverse and the fog light, the number plate bulbs, and lastly I'm gonna show you how to replace this third brake light. This one is actually LED, and if it breaks you're gonna either have to repair or replace the whole unit. I'm gonna start with number plate lights, and to remove it I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver. I'm just gonna pry off this right side, and as you can see it's held in place with this metal clip. Now to get to the bulb I'm just gonna unscrew it, and to remove the bulb you just pull it out. The bulb type is going to be the same as on pretty much any other car, and it is W5W. Moving on to the rear indicator. Now there is no access from the back, so we're going to have to pull the whole thing out. To remove it I'm gonna use this T30 Torx bit to remove that one screw you can see on the screen, and of course it is a bit rusted, so I'm just gonna use my ratchet and now I can get it undone. Now when I put it back I'm just gonna add a little bit of grease on it, just to make sure it doesn't seize in the future. Now you have to pull the light straight out, however be careful not to break anything. There it is. To remove it completely I have to remove this one connector, and to do that I'm just gonna pull up on this clip. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver for that, and now I'm just gonna pull the connector out. Be careful with this clip, it's quite brittle and you don't want to break it off. Besides that one T30 Torx screw that I removed, you can see we got one pin right beneath it, and we got two more on the other side. To get to the bulb we got two more Phillips screws, so I'm just gonna remove them real fast. Now I can pull the bulb housing off. One thing I gotta warn you about, be careful with this rubber seal. You can see that it stayed on the tail light, and there's our bulb. Now to remove it I'm just gonna press it in and unscrew it. The bulb type is going to be R10W. Next we got the bulbs for the reverse light and the fog light. First I'm gonna remove the cover, and for that I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver to pull the cover off. Now before I can remove this plastic part there is still this one Phillips screw that needs to be removed. And now there's a plastic clip right here on the top. I'm gonna press it in and pull the whole thing out. Again, as with this last bulb, to remove it all you gotta do is press the bulb in and turn it counterclockwise. And the same is gonna go with this bulb on my left. The good thing is that we got the bulb types listed right here on this housing. So this left one is gonna be P21W, and this one on the right is gonna be H21W, as you can see right here. Lastly, I'm gonna show you how to remove this third brake light. Now, they are not really prone to failing, so if it goes out, make sure that you check the fuses and also the wiring loom which leads to the boot lid. As I said before, it's LED, so if it breaks, you are either gonna have to repair the whole unit or replace it altogether. Also, I'm gonna speed up the video. If you want to see the full thing, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. So anyway, as you could have seen, the replacement of the bulbs on the rear on Alfa Giulietta is quite easy. You don't have to pay anyone to do that for you. You can do it yourself. The one thing that I have to warn you about is that you want to be careful with all of the plastic parts on this car, as you probably already know the quality of plastics on Alfa Giulietta is not great. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.